What's up, guys? Alright, I have a 2021 Sherco 300 two-stroke to show you guys, but before I do, if you do me a favor, go on over to Instagram and type in Forged Through Struggle. It's a friend of mine's up-and-coming clothing company here in West Virginia. I got one of their shirts on right here, and they're all about people being forged into who they are through the struggles of life, whatever that may be. If you can go check them out and support them, you'd be supporting me too, and I'd really appreciate it. Alright. There it is, Sherco 300 two-stroke 2021. Let's pop open this box and see what we've got. Here it is, the 2021 Sherco SE300 Factory Edition. Now, there are some changes to this bike for 2021. Obviously, this bike's known for its KYB suspension. Some of the big changes were an overall engine weight savings of 1.2 kilogram on the 250 and 300 models, and they did this by a 50% lighter transmission, gear, and axle, lighter gear selector barrel, redesigned clutch, and a new cylinder head. So those are all substantial differences. The cylinder head is also running lower compression, which gives you a higher RPM without losing any low-end performance, Sherco claims. They really put some effort into reducing vibration this year. They put in an anti-vibration balancer for 2021. And then obviously we have our small characteristic changes. They changed the colors of the fenders, I believe, changed the graphics a little bit. But for the most part, this bike continues the same look, the same image it had from last year. Price did jump up some. I'm not sure exactly how much. You have to do your research on that. But it definitely is, to me, one of the most unique and cool looking bikes out there. Without a doubt. Just a beautiful machine. If you want that modern 300 two-stroke feel, but still keep carburation and KYB suspension, this is going to be your only option, and you won't regret it though. This is a good option. So this is available at AOMC right now, guys, so give us a call if you're looking for one. There's bikes are going to go fast this year. There's going to be a shortage, so if you're interested, jump on one of these soon. Look at that thing. Looks great. Alright, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.